Today is Saturday, November 9th. This is the 1969-1970 two-year only design original movement general time clock made for Cadillac. This is for my friend Alan for his 1970 DeVille convertible. And the unit has been fully restored. And I'm going to let it run for 48 hours before completing the full embodiment and putting it back in the casing. The original movement clock provides the tick 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 sound, which may not be readily audible here in the video, but I can tell you that it is ticking. Unlike the quartz conversions, which have a sweeping hand and no sound, the original general time movement has an incremental second hand movement and a tick 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 sound. Okay, today is Saturday, November 9th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1978 for the Cadillacs. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. As soon as I've let this unit run for 48 hours on the bench, I'm going to go ahead and fully assemble it back in the original encasement and then ship it to my friend Alan in Orlando. Today's November 9th. Thank you very kindly.